Welcome back to my channel, steveO the Window Cleaner. Today, checking out the Xero Aluminum Rinse Bar. This is brand new from Xero as far as their first rinse bar. Rinse bars have been on the market for about 5 years. They're all pretty much plastic as far as that goes, but now this is the only aluminum option. All of your water will come out of all of these jets right here. The corners kind of splay out to the side like this, so it covers the whole glass when you're rinsing. The whole thing is aluminum, even these plugs here on the side as far as that goes. So you do want to be careful that you don't like cockeye the brush and hit anything. But I used an aluminum rinse bar for years, never had any issues. So just be careful as far as that goes. I also have here the Xero Boar hair brush and the Xero Fast Lock swivel attachment. This goes with the Xero Fast Lock angle adapter, and then you can also put like a walnut pad scrubber on the back of here as far as having all of that. But mostly talking about the rinse bar. So it's as simple as that as far as what it is. It just attaches at the 2 screw sockets right there. That's pretty normal on any brush. These will work on Tucker brushes. They will work on Xero brushes. I'm pretty sure they'll work on Gardner brushes as well. But that's pretty much it as far as the rinse bar goes. They're $49.99 as far as the price. They are only available in this green color currently. So if you do want to buy one, I will put a link in the description, or you can always call or text me at 970-599-1437. But let's get away from that and let's go right into hooking it up to my system so you can check out the water display, because that's what you're really here for. Rinse bars are rinse bars. If you like using a rinse bar, you like using a rinse bar. If you don't, you don't. I get it. Also, just so you know, this little input here is just a 5/16 push to fit. So you'll just need a 5/16 hose to plug in there. But let's say if you were using like, I don't know, 3/8 hose and you wanted to do a reducer, you could definitely get a reducer that goes from 5/16 to 3/8, and you can put that on there. So if you use a bigger hose, you can definitely make this work as well. But let's set this up with my system and then show you the water display out of all of these awesome jets. Okay, so I got my water running from my Xero Pure Max Plus here, so it's getting about 1 gallon per minute. And so you can see here, display of water. Of course, I know this is my truck, so don't troll me in the comments, but it just works good as far as seeing the path on the black glass. So right there, you can see exactly what your rinse bar is going to do as far as the path goes. Typically, we're rinsing about that close, right? Or you can really rinse on the glass because you're constantly getting this above. So if we scrub, I constantly have jets going above the actual brush. So it's very nice as far as that goes. I know there's not much to this video other than just seeing like the actual path of the rinse, but it's kind of fun to see. I'll show you guys on storm door. So yeah, but it's nice though because these splay jets that are right here, they get right over these corner bristles. So you always have water rinsing everything everywhere. So that's what's super nice about it. So literally if you're doing like high windows, you didn't want to take the brush off the glass. Same thing with nylon brushes. You could just literally scrub the whole window, blah, 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 blah. And for your final rinse, go to the right corner, go down slowly, go back up, come down slowly, go back up, come down slowly, and be done. That's the nice thing about the rinse bar. All right, let's see it up on some glass high up, just to see if there's any pressure change, but there won't be. Let me put my other GoPro here. Try to see if we can maybe put it right there. Oh boy. See if we can get a good video of it. Oh, that's good video of it. Now you hear about how I talk with these videos. So if I take it away from the glass, of course, those are gonna spray pretty far. So you're just about right there, which is comfortable. Get a good rinse on the glass. Oh yeah. Pretty sweet. So it's all personal preference as far as rinse bars go. Like I said, some love them, some hate them. But if you love rinse bars and you want an aluminum option, Xero now has one. So once again, I'll put the link below. You can check these out. They're $49.99, only available at windowcleaner.com. Peace. You want a good way to clean your systems? Just run your brush along your little ROs. When you're done each day, give that sucker a rinse. Keep your stuff looking good. All right, guys. Peace out. Bye. Okay, for a little fun here, I'm going to turn on the Xero 110 volt booster pump and see how much more pressure we get out of this. I only have 50 psi going in. My water source gets about 5 to 6 gallons per minute. It's a little extra part of this video, but we'll see what it does. Plug this sucker in. Oh wow. Oh wow. Car wash. So we have, holding at 75. If we even want to go up more, we can take the sucker to 90. So that's it on a booster pump, probably pushing through at close to 1.5 to 2 gallons per minute from this system. So at 90 psi. And still what's nice about it, it's not like too insane on the glass, but this is pretty high pressure for rinsing windows. So yeah. Pretty nice. Okay, that's it. Y'all have a good day. Bye.